Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about TMJ exercises that you can do if you're struggling with TMJ problems. So one of the key things here is just as a baseline, the tongue on the roof of the mouth is an important part of a healthy jaw function. So a lot of these exercises, it includes having the tongue on the roof of the mouth just behind the front teeth. But the first exercise is actually one just to get you to start relaxing the jaw muscles. And so saying the word Emma, Emma, puts your jaw in the right place of just relaxing those jaw muscles. So that's something that during your day, if you're noticing some tension, just saying that word Emma and letting the jaw just hang open a little bit can be helpful as the first start. Then after that, there's exercises of the alignment of opening and closing the jaw. And so this is just simply a practice of keeping the tongue behind the teeth, the top teeth, and then just slowly opening the jaw open and close. And then you can just repeat that, just being conscious about it, looking in a mirror, seeing is it tracking, is it opening correctly, or is there any wobble to it. The next level is to actually put one finger on one side of your jaw and one finger on your chin. And as you're opening up your mouth, you're just putting a little pressure with that finger on the chin to just help to guide it down. Again, keeping the tongue on the roof of the mouth. Then you can actually, once you've gotten good at that, then you can actually put two fingers on each TMJ. And again, just opening the mouth slowly, again, with the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And so repeating these 5 times and then doing that 5 sessions a day is a good exercise to do. That's just for having the jaw being relaxed as it opens and closes. Once you've gotten good at that, you can start to look at strengthening the jaw muscles. And so for that, we simply have the first level of having the jaw closed, the tongue on the roof of the mouth, and you're just going to simply push the jaw one direction, just about on a scale of 1 to 10, if 10 was the hardest you could push, about a 2, so it's not very much. Just put a little bit of pressure on the jaw towards from the right to the left, and then from the bottom to the top, and then you can actually do a diagonal. So you're pushing up towards your left ear, and then the other side up towards your right ear, and again just keeping the tongue on the roof of the mouth as you do that. Then the next level after doing that with your mouth closed is to have your mouth open about 1 knuckle width open, and then do the same series where you are pushing from the left, pushing from the right, pushing up, and then diagonal. And then this one we're going to add one more where you're actually pushing back towards the neck. And again, about 2 seconds, just on a level of 2 amount of pressure. Then the next level after that is to have the jaw open 2 knuckles wide, and so it's a bit wider, and then doing the same planes as well, from the left, from the right, from the bottom up, and then diagonally, and then coming back in towards the spine. So by doing this, you're going to start to strengthen some of those muscles around the jaw, so that'll add more stability to your jaw joint. So I hope that you found this useful. If you did, please share it with friends, and we'll go over some more in our next video.